Can something as simple as walking for 30 minutes a day change your life? The answer is a powerful yes. From melting fat to boosting your brain daily, walking is one of the most underrated health hacks out there. Let's dive into what really happens to your body when you make walking a daily habit. 1. Your brain gets a boost. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals. This not only lifts your mood, but also reduces anxiety and even symptoms of depression. Studies show walking boosts creativity and mental clarity. It's like giving your brain a gentle reboot every day. 2. Your heart gets stronger. Walking regularly lowers your risk of heart disease by improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. Just 30 minutes a day can cut your risk of stroke by up to 27%. Think of it as a mini cardio session that your heart loves. 3. You burn calories without realizing it. You might not be sweating buckets, but walking burns serious calories around 150 per 30-minute session, depending on your pace and weight. Over time, this consistent activity leads to noticeable fat loss, especially around your belly. 4. Your joints thank you. Walking is a low-impact exercise, which means it strengthens muscles around your joints without putting too much pressure on them. It's especially great for people with arthritis or knee pain, helping improve flexibility and range of motion. 5. You sleep better. Daily walking balances your circadian rhythm, which helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. It's nature's sleep pill without side effects. 6. Your body fights disease better. Your immune system gets stronger too. Regular walkers have fewer colds and recover faster from illness. That's because moderate daily movement increases the activity of immune cells. 7. And the best part, it's easy to start. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. You can walk anywhere, anytime, and it adds up fast. Whether it's a morning stroll, a lunchtime walk, or an evening unwind, 30 minutes a day is all you need to transform your health. So, ready to take that first step? Hit the sidewalk, the park, or even your hallway, and let walking work its magic on your body and mind. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a walking buddy. And tap the bell icon so you never miss a healthy tip.